Okay, so how do I deploy a Python Flask application? Well, there are several ways to do it, but one of the most easy ways to deploy your Flask application is to use PythonAnywhere. So if you go to the website PythonAnywhere.com, you'll see this site, which allows you to deploy any type of Python app in the cloud. So that can be a Flask app, but it can also be Django or Web2Py or many other types of web apps. And basically you can set it up like in a minute. So what you need to do is just to register. They have a free account if you want, and then you can deploy your web app. So basically all you need to do is sign up, select that you want to create a Flask app, and your Flask app will be online, your Python app, and it's completely for free until you want to create more apps and so on, or get more users on your app. But basically you can start for free, and there's a link below that lets you start with Python Flask in the cloud, and also a tutorial on how to develop web applications with Python Flask.